Now, earlier I reviewed the various steps that make up the pre-sales phase of the sales maximization process. I identified the three core stages that are part of that phase: the prospecting stage, the selling stage, and the closing stage. In the prospecting stage, I broke down such things as targeting and getting in front of your targets, to establishing contact, to piquing interest, and finally engaging in a discovery. Today I want to focus on that piquing interest portion, or what most people would refer to as pitching. Now, what is the objective of piquing interest? It's just that you want to be able to, within 30 seconds or less, maybe even a minute or less, most people probably won't give you a minute, but 30 seconds or less, pique the person's interest to where they're going to say, "Wow, is that so? Tell me more. I didn't know that." They're going to be interested to have a further conversation with you.